How to open WhatsApp location in Google Maps. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp. Click on the chat where you have received location. You can simply hold on to the link and copy the link and then open any website and paste it in there. Or what you can do is simply just one click. It will lead you to your Google Maps and open the pinned location the person sent you will pop up in here in this way. And this is how to open WhatsApp location in Google Maps. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.